The stamens are the central part of the flower, consisting of the male and female reproductive organs. The male stamens produce pollen, while the female pistil receives the pollen and produces seeds, thus completing the process of plant reproduction. Pollen grains come in various shapes, some are spherical, some are rod-shaped, and some resemble gears. They also vary in size, ranging from as small as 4 micrometers to as large as 200 micrometers. Pollen is transferred to the pistil of plants through wind, insects, or other carriers, completing the pollination process. Now, let's use the microscope to observe the stamens of the chrysanthemums, as well as the pollen of lilies and rapeseed. Please note that the same magnification should be used when observing lily and rapeseed pollen. Observing the stamens of chrysanthemums. Under the microscope, the stamen of this small chrysanthemum flower presents a delicate and intricate structure. At the center of the stamen is the pistil, with tiny pollen grains on its upper part. Around the pistil are pale yellow anthers covered with fine hairs. Now, everyone needs to do a small activity, collect different flowers, and use the microscope to observe their stamens. Observing lily pollen. Lily pollen grains are tiny particles from lily pollen, usually yellow or orange. They are often spherical or oval in shape and typically range in size from 30 to 50 micrometers. For easier observation, the lily pollen on the slide is stained. Under the microscope, you can clearly see that lily pollen grains are oval-shaped. Some grains are slightly flattened, while others are more rounded. Lily pollen has strong allergenic properties, and exposure can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, such as sneezing or itchy skin. Observing rapeseed pollen. Rapeseed pollen is yellow or light yellow, and the pollen grains are usually between several micrometers and up to 100 micrometers in size. For easier observation, the rapeseed pollen on the slide is also stained. Under the microscope, you can see that rapeseed pollen grains are spherical or nearly spherical. Rapeseed pollen is crucial for the reproduction of rapeseed plants. Bees mix rapeseed pollen with honey to produce bee pollen, a nutrient-rich natural food that contains various vitamins, minerals, proteins, and amino acids, benefiting human health in many ways. Pollen carries the genetic information of plants and transfers it to the next generation during reproduction, ensuring genetic diversity and adaptability of species. Additionally, pollen is a food source for many pollinators like insects and birds, which is essential for maintaining ecosystem balance.